Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to share the multi-account version of the options, stock and futures trading journal. This trading journal is designed for traders who manage multiple accounts and trade options, stock and futures. It allows users to track their performance and statistics over a period of 5 years across up to 10 different trading accounts. Traders can view and analyze the performance and statistics of each individual account as well as a combined summary of all accounts. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to set up this journal, input trading data and analyze the statistics. Before entering any trading data, navigate to the Start tab to set your starting month and year. You can input any month and year. Next, on the right, input the starting capital for each account. Each account is linked to its respective tab. For example, account 1 is linked to account 1 tab. If you rename account 1 to something like TOS, you will need to rename the corresponding tab into TOS as well. You can also include the link to your brokerage website in the blank space provided. Next, input the names of your trading strategies. You can enter out to 50 different strategies. If English is not your primary language, you can customize the journal by replacing the keywords in the white cell with terms in your own language. Once you have finished entering the details in the Start tab, you can begin inputting trading data into the Trading Journal tab. This journal includes a built-in calculator to help determine your entry level and position size based on your risk to reward ratio, stop loss level, and target level. Alternatively, you can use it to calculate your long or short target levels based on this parameter. Proper position sizing is crucial for minimizing losses and preventing significant drawdown. There is also a point and tip value tables that includes a list of futures products and their respective values. If the product you are trading isn't listed, you can manually update the symbols and point value for your specific futures product. Let me show you how to input your trading data into the Trading Journal tab. There are 10 separate tabs available for inputting trading data, with each tab representing an individual account. Be sure to input data into the correct tab. If you don't need all the tabs, you can hide the one that you are not using. For option trades, including single leg and multi-leg trades, start by entering the trade number and selecting the trade direction from the drop-down list. Choose option as the product type. Then input the stock ticker. Select the strategy from the drop-down list, and if applicable, input the sub-strategy. For example, in a whale strategy, the sub-strategy could be cash secure put and covered call. Next, input the strike price, expiration date, and break-even price. In the open position section, input the stock entry price, entry date and time, the number of entry position, and the net entry price. Use a minus sign for debit trades such as buying single calls or puts to indicate an outflow of money. For credit spread, input the price without a minus sign. Enter the commission paid to open the trade. Under the risk management section, input the buying power, the amount blocked by your broker, maximum profit and maximum loss. The green cells on the right will automatically calculate the risk percentage per trade and the risk reward ratio. After closing the position, input the stop price at exit, the exit date and time, exit position and exit price. For partial exit, record the first, second, and third exit position and prices in their respective columns. The green cells will calculate the average net exit price. Enter the commission paid to close the trade as well. For stock and futures trade, start by entering the trade number, trade direction, and the product type, example, stock or a specific future product. Input the ticker and select the strategy from the drop-down list. You can skip the column for strike price and expiration date. Under open position, input the entry price, entry date and time, the number of entry position, and the entry commission. Input the buy or sell price of the stock or future product as appropriate. In the risk management section, input the stop loss level, take profit level, buying power, maximum profit and maximum loss. After closing the position, input the exit price, exit date and time, and exit position. For multiple exits, you can input out to 3 exit points. Include the commission paid and any dividend received while holding the stock shares. The data entered into Trading Journal tab automatically populate several other tabs such as monthly report, strategy dashboard, ticker dashboard, calendar view, trading dashboard, and strategy statistics. If you have any funds deposit or withdrawal, you can input the details into this trading journal. First, under the trade number, input a dash sign so that it will not be counted as a trade. Then input the deposit or withdrawal date. After that, under the deposit or withdrawal column, input the amount of money deposited or withdrawn. Remember to put a minus sign in front front of the amount if you withdraw money from the account. Let's take a look at the monthly report. It shows the monthly statistics based on trades opened during the selected month. In the top left corner, select your account name. From the drop-down list, you can choose either an individual account or all accounts. Then select the month, and all the trades executed during that month will be listed below. The statistics here include the account starting and ending balance, total P&L, monthly return, and win rate. The graph displays the account balance, total P&L by ticker, strategy performance in terms of return on investment, P&L, cumulative P&L, and drawdown. Next, the strategy dashboard shows how each strategy performs. It provides statistics for each strategy, helping you identify which strategies work well and which may need improvement. Like the monthly report, you first select the account name from the drop-down list, then select a strategy from the drop-down list. All trades associated with that strategy will be displayed in the table below. The statistic includes total profit and loss, average win and loss, largest win and loss, and average time in trade. The chart shows P&L for each ticker traded using the strategy and P&L for each sub-strategy. For a more detailed analysis of a strategy, you can click on the funnel icon to apply filter. The strategy statistics section provides the monthly total return on investment for each strategy, showing the best performing and worst performing strategies. As with the strategy dashboard, select an account name to view statistics for a specific account. You can also select a debt range from the drop-down list to view monthly statistics within that range. In addition to the strategy dashboard, traders can analyze statistics and summaries for options, stock, futures, or individual tickers. Simply select a ticker name from the drop-down list, and all trades associated with the selected ticker will appear in the thread below. The summary includes statistics like total P&L, average win and loss, largest win or loss, maximum consecutive win and loss, and average time in trade. You can also view the P&L for each strategy when trading a specific ticker via the bar chart on the right. Next, let's move on to the calendar view, where you can view the daily total P&L for a selected debt range and an account. The calendar provides a quick overview of profitable and losing days. Lastly, the most important section of this trading journal is the main trading dashboard. It provides a comprehensive overview of your account's trading activity. It displays an account summary, including starting and ending balances, total P&L, win rate, total ROI, and key account statistics such as average win and losses, largest win and loss, maximum consecutive win or losses, and average time in trade. The pie charts illustrate trade performance such as the number of winning versus losing trades and long versus short trades. The table below shows monthly trade statistics, including P&L, ROI, and number of winning and losing trades. At the top left of the monthly trade statistics table, you can select a debt range of up to 5 years. The table and graph will update accordingly to reflect P&L, ROI, and winning or losing trades during the selected period. The graph on the right provides an overview of your trading performance over the entire period. It shows account balance, total account value at different points in time, account drawdown, maximum loss incurred over the period, cumulative P&L, net profit or loss accumulated over time. Additionally, you can review the performance of individual tickers and strategies to understand their contribution to your overall performance, as well as monthly performance in terms of ROI, profit and loss, and winning or losing trade. Here's a quick guide to editing graph line colors. For Google Sheet, go to Edit Chart and edit the colors for each account. For example, account 1, if you want in blue color, you just select blue, and the line graph in this chart will change to blue for account 1. For Excel line graph, right click on the desired line, select Format Data, and change the line color manually. For example, if you want to change the color to blue, you just select the blue color here. In conclusion, using a trading journal can help you analyze trades and improve your trading performance over time. Personally, I have been using a trading journal since the beginning, and it has allowed me to identify my strengths and weaknesses, make adjustments, and enhance my trading performance. These trading journals provide detailed statistics on your strategies and trading activity, enabling you to learn from past experiences and refine your trading plan. Overall, a trading journal is an invaluable tool for traders of all levels to enhance their performance and make more informed decisions. I highly recommend using this trading journal if you are serious about improving your trading performance. Thank you for watching until the end. Do check the link in the description or comment section below to learn more about this trading journal. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.